Hello, I'm going to explain you how to do ZN staining. For that we need ingredients: carbol fustin as primary stain, decolorizer 25% sulfuric acid, and secondary stain malachite green. First thing, glass slide with a smear is prepared and placed on a rack like that. So before adding primary stain, we'll put filter paper on the surface of glass slide to prevent muck formation. So after that, carbol fustin is added. So carbol fustin is prepared by adding 5 grams of basic fustin, 25 grams of crystalline phenol, and both have to be mixed and agitated in a water bath for 5 minutes. And after that, 50 ml of absolute alcohol is added, and at the final step, 1.5 liter of distilled water is added to prepare concentrated carbol fustin. So to heat the glass slide, we will use cotton wool added with a little methylated spirit, so which will use it as a flame. So here intermittent heating is done. So in intermittent heating, you should not boil the carbol fustin. Just fume should rise, and you should keep on doing that intermittent heating for 5 minutes. And even stain should not dry. If stain decreases, you can add some more stain. So once the procedure is done, after 5 minutes, we'll wash the slide with normal water. So normal water clear the primary stain completely. And in the second step, as a decolorizer, we'll add 25% H2SO4 or sulfuric acid, which is prepared by adding sulfuric acid, concentrated sulfuric acid with 75% of distilled water. Say 25% sulfuric acid and 75% distilled water. So that has to be kept for 1 minute, which will decolorize. And after 1 minute, wash the slide. And next step is adding counter stain. So malachite green is put on the surface of glass slide. Malachite green is prepared by adding 5 grams of malachite green powder and 500 ml of distilled water, and mixed thoroughly and stored. To prepare a working solution, you will have to dilute the prepared solution by adding 1:10 distilled water, 1% malachite green concentrate, and 9% distilled water. So and after 1 minute, you will wash the slide thoroughly. So the slide is cleaned with the filter paper, and it should be blotted on the surface of the slide and not rubbed. So this is the dense stain observed under oil immersion microscope.